Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to do overhead presses. Specifically, we're going to show you nice tweaks and variations on that for learning them, maybe when you're a beginner. We always want to simplify movements. We want to keep it as few moving parts as possible, maybe shorten the range of motion just to help you learn what a good range of motion is, what a good bar path is, and then we can get more advanced later on. So today we're just focusing on an easy way to learn overhead presses. So we're going to get that bar set to about the height of your collarbones and then walk up to it. It's a good place to probably start with your bench grip, wherever that is. So for us, people, average build, maybe the tips of thumbs to right where the knurling begins, extend them, grab that bar. Next thing you're going to do is, if you're right-handed, you're going to put your left foot forward. If you're left-handed, you'll put your right foot forward. And you're going to step all the way up to the bar and get into the staggered stance here, right? Next thing he's going to do is bring the bar to his chest, right at the top of the collarbones, and drive his elbows under the bar. So the elbows are supporting the wrist, which supports the bar. And this bar is directly over the forearm bones. We don't want to have it too relaxed, and we don't want to have it too far forward. We want to have it right over that wrist. He's going to stand up with it, take a step back. See, that's one motion. And that's why we start with our non-dominant leg forward, so that when we step back, our dominant leg is forward. This is called a staggered stance. It's really stable for this motion. Elbows under the wrists again, shoulders set down and back nice and tight. And his starting position is going to be somewhere around the chin, maybe the mouth. And we're not really going to go any lower than that when we're doing this exercise for the first time when we're learning it. Next thing he's going to do is going to press it up to a soft lockout and then back down. This differs from maybe a strict overhead press, because in a strict overhead press, you're going to press it all the way up and push your head through. When we're learning, we're going to keep that bar path really simple, keep it pretty straight, go to a soft lockout, come back down, never really going below the chin. And then when we're done, all you have to do is step forward and rack it.